Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. World Under-20 medalists Roshawn Clarke and Alana Reid were among the highlights on the third and final day of the CARIFTA Track and Field Championships at the National Stadium this afternoon. Clarke, the World Under-20 bronze medalist, now competing for Swept Track Club, won the Under-20 boys 400-meter hurdles in 50.32 ahead of Antonio Forbes of Kingston College 50.68. Tony and Beckford of Edwin Allen took the Under-20 girls equivalent in 57.33 ahead of Alia Baker of Hydel 57.60. Reid of Hydel, the World Under-20 bronze medalist, sped to a season's best 22.96 to win the Under-20 girls section. She won ahead of Carletta Bernard of Mount Alvernia, who clocked a personal best 23.51, and Sabrina Dockery of Locovia High, who clocked a personal best 23.93 for third.
I felt that I had to come out here and do my utmost best. I'm extremely tired, but nevertheless, I just came out here because I know I can do it. And I'm glad that I came out here and showed everyone that what I'm capable of. And I just can't wait to be at the CARIFTA Games to show my talent.
Malik Smith Band of Jamaica College also clocked a personal best 21.13 to win the Under-20 boys equivalent ahead of Javorn Dunkley of Stets 21.19.
So it wasn't that bad knowing my cardio is supposed to be up. So I just went in with one objective this evening, and it was to win the finals. And I did just that, so I'm very grateful.
Meanwhile, Dante Mendez of Calabar took the Under-17 boys 200 meters in 21.92 ahead of Donate Watson of Jamaica College 22.17. And Natrice East of Woolmer's completed the sprint double when she took the Under-17 girls section in 24.47 ahead of Shanoya Douglas of Machette 24.78. There were upsets in the sprint hurdles as Shaquan Gordon of Calabar clocked a PB 13.50 to win the Under-20 boys section ahead of a pre-race favorite Demario Prince of St. Jago 13.56. Abiba Harris of Stets with 13.35 also upset World Under-20 silver medalist Alexis James of Petersfield 13.38 in the Under-20 girls 100-meter hurdles. And Kishay Rowe of Alphonsus Davis with 2 minutes 07.04 won the Under-20 girls 800 meters, while Kamaria Bygrave of Jamaica College won the Under-20 boys section in 1 minute 50.20. The meet will be used to select Jamaica's team to the CARIFTA Track and Field Championships to be held from April 8 to 10 in the Bahamas.